Returns basketball anywhere in a 90 degrees arc. Tool for improving free throw and perimeter shooting. Keeps ball on court. Fits most home rims. Easy to install. Designed for outdoor residential play. Top reviews from the United States. Works like a champ. This product was easy to install, is a durable plastic, rubber material, and returns balls shot nearly every time. The exception is when the ball is shot from the sides, it can rebound the ball awkwardly. Also, occasionally the return will shoot up and get caught in the net, which is kind of funny, but when this happens it's a simple tap and it comes free. Recommend this product for anyone with a basketball hoop.